I'm the presiding judge of Kisii Law Courts. Today we have congregated here at the Kisii Law Courts, just as other courts throughout the country are, to remember and commemorate the life of our dear Honorable Monica Kivuti, who served as a principal magistrate at the Makadara Law Courts. Through an unfortunate incident that happened on the 13th of June this year, she was shot and she succumbed to the injuries that she sustained, leading to her death. This is an extremely unfortunate incident that happened while she was dispensing justice. It is in fact an abominable act that should not be condoned by Kenyans, and should be condemned in the strongest terms possible. In the preamble to the Constitution, Kenyans aspired that they would live in a society guided by the rule of law. In Article 159 of the Constitution, Kenyans vested judicial authority in the courts. Therefore, it is courts that dispense justice. Courts make decisions every day. They may make decisions that some people are not happy with. They may also make decisions that people are happy with. But irrespective of the nature of the decision made, the avenue of any individual who is aggrieved by such decision is not to take the law into his or her own hands. It is to follow the laid down channels of redress. And even then, it may be that that individual truly is the one on the wrong. Society has insisted that we must live by the rule of law. We must, as Kenyans, accept to be guided by the rule of law. And we must, as Kenyans, accept to abide by the decisions that courts make every day. It is not for Kenyans to take the law into their hands if they are aggrieved and not happy by a decision that our court has made. This is a significant moment, not just for the judiciary, but for Kenyans, because an individual has come to the very seat of justice and defiled it. That is an act that Kenyans ought to be outraged by, and Kenyans must stand and condemn it and say, this shall never happen again.